Alright, let's be honest. Geography in school kind of felt like just memorizing capital cities, flags, and weirdly shaped countries you'll never visit. But what if I told you that getting smarter at geography has almost nothing to do with memorizing facts? If you're tired of blanking out when someone mentions the Balkans or think Kazakhstan is still part of Russia, stick around, because I'm going to show you how to level your geography brain without becoming a walking encyclopedia. And no, I'm not just going to say just look at maps more. This is way more fun than that. So here's a trap most people fall into. They think geography is about knowing everything. But geography isn't just about names, it's about stories. It's about connections and patterns. Most people struggle because they try to memorize without understanding. But once you shift your mindset, geography becomes addictive. Here's the shift. Stop thinking like a student. Start thinking like a strategist. When you look at a map, ask, why is this city important? Why do these countries always argue? Why is this border here and yet not there? You're not just memorizing here. The key here is that you're investigating. And trust me, that changes everything. Okay, you waited long enough. Here are 3 unusual but insane effective tricks to get smart at geography fast. Trick 1. Turn news into maps. Anytime you see a news story while you're watching it, pull up a map. Seriously, Google the map about Lebanon or the Red Sea after watching the news about that. Your brain learns fastest when there's context. Trick number 2. Play map games, but smartly. GeoGuessr, Wordle, they're addictive, but don't play for fun. Pay attention to the landscape clues, language, architecture, even road signs. That's mainly what trains your brain to think properly. Instead of trying to learn the whole world, pick one region. That's tip number 3. Instead of going all over the place and trying to learn the entire world, focus in one place at a time and master before moving to the next region. This will save you a ton of time. For example, pick a region like Central Africa and study that deeply. Study the languages, history, culture, politics. Everything then connects, like pieces falling into a puzzle. This builds a mental web, one region at a time, and soon you've got a whole world map in your head, built by logic, not by cramming. Smart geography isn't about memorizing countries, it's about understanding the world. If this helped you shift your perspective, hit the like button and subscribe. I've got way more content coming soon to boost your brain in ways school never taught.